Hey guys, it's the Rumfelt Broz here, and today we're going to be shooting our BB guns. Now, I suggest you do not try this at home, okay?
We got some safety glasses over
Alright,
here.
yeah, and before we shoot BB guns, I need to put on my safety goggles. Protection!
Before we do this, don't try this at home. Let a parent watch you.
Yeah, we have a parent right now watching us while we do this. We're here with all the guns and stuff. Alright, I need to tell you one thing. These are not toys. No matter what age you are, don't ever pick up a gun unless you have parental vision saying you can pick up the guns and go shoot them. I'm being serious.
But these are not actual guns, they're BB guns.
Yeah, they're BB guns and pellet guns. And
They're not real guns.
yeah, these are what go to this, and these go to this. And yeah, for real, do not ever pick up a gun without somebody saying you can. Okay, guys, we're each gonna do 10 shots, and then we're gonna switch up. All right, so he gets 10 shots, and I get 10.
I dropped my BB. I already dropped one when the camera was off.
And we're gonna flip a coin to see who goes first. See that coin? Is that coin? What is that? Yeah, that's a coin. All right, I pick heads.
Heads? You got tails?
Yes. All right, let me flip it because I'm a master coin flipper. Watch how skilled I am. Look at my flip flops. Look how beautiful these are. So I gotta go first. I think I've already said that. But alright, the safety's off, so don't worry. Okay.
We're not going to show you how to turn on the safety because we don't want kids playing with guns.
Got some homemade targets.
And before we shoot, we need to make sure there's nothing behind the target, so let me go look. Okay, I got this thing loaded and I'm ready to shoot, okay? Ooh. I can see where I shot it. Look.
Oh, you shot right there. That's it.
Zoom in more.
That.
Okay, we're not going to do that every single time. We're just going to shoot.
Oh, target down, target down.
I think I'm ready. I eliminated my objective. I did not mean to shoot that one. Oh, I thought I hit the bullseye. Okay, now we're just gonna do a montage of me shooting.
The wind is helping.
Bullet on one.
Yeah.
You missed and it fell.
I think I have like 2 more bullets left in this, so I'm just gonna use those.
Bullet.
You know what I mean. I missed. Yep, this is the last bullet.
No bullets left. Alright, now it's time for Liam.
Alright, this is what I did. Now, I missed 3 shots apparently because only 7 things on there, and I shot 10 times. So either it's magic or I just missed a lot.
Okay, he just did his 10 shots. He missed 3 times. He got 7 shots on the target. So it's my turn. It's my 10 shots now.
Oh, babe, you need to move. We just had some kitty cat crossing, so.
You got that one.
Oh.
2.
Well, we need to make a thumbnail. Ooh.
Missed that one.
Hit that one?
Ooh, got that one.
Where'd I hit?
Oh,
first last time, so I'm gonna go first this time with this gun.
And there was an extra BB.
There was an extra BB in the last gun. We were wrong. We shot it off camera.
Too many.
Okay, now we're gonna shoot this pellet gun. Okay.
Ready? On your mark, get set, fire. That one has more fire than I thought.
Where'd it go?
Wait. This gun is so powerful, you can freaking see all the smoke coming out of it. Hey, look.
It's a CO2 gun.
Oh, I know that.
Liam.
How about we get 3 shots?
Yeah,
How much do you want?
3. I hit on the 33. No, I hit on the 23. And I hit on the 21.
Cool deal. Good shooting, buddy.
And I got a 21 and a half right here.
What?
Right.
I get 5 shots since I'm cool.
That's not fair. You only get 3.
No, I get 5.
I get 3.
That was 2. Ooh, I kicked up
Missed
the
every
dirt.
time.
I kicked up.
Whoa! I see a
Alright,
big
that's enough.
hole.
Well,
Let me shoot.
No. 10. Not 10. 0 out of 5. Can I do one more time?
all right, let me shoot now.
Person on video.
Point of view.
That was cool. Where's it going?
Ow,
Elmo. Alright guys, that's from the Rumfelt Broz. Have a nice day and no, I missed it. Okay, let me try that again. Alright guys, that's from the Rumfelt Broz.
His tongue keeps messing around.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day and peace.
Oh yeah!